main character's Steve is played by Michael Madsen. Steve is a writer who's looking for the meaning of life. He wants to fulfill a dream from his father's, which is to have a doctorate degree. He gets involved with a group that seems to be a good group, but it actually turns out to be very dark, and so he finds himself in a web trying to get out of it. And then he meets this little blonde girl who really helps him see the light from the dark, and it's kind of comes full circle at the end. It's kind of a neat twist.
Working with my dad, he's easy. He's just really easy. He's can go anywhere you want, you know. Father and son working together in any job is something that's really, really meaningful. It means a lot.
Lauren, is my mom downstairs? Can you have her bring up a cooler or have her?
But everyone's always looking for something.
It's looking for you're the one.
Looking for redemption.
Yeah.